The early stages of a fire, our research says that the fire grows exponentially. So in those 5 minutes, the fire could be substantially larger.
Existing sprinkler systems, the water ones in particular, can cause a lot of collateral damage.
Essentially, we're just trying to have a near instantaneous response to when a fire actually comes on.
Now the hardest part is figuring out what can we do to have a better navigation system.
So Cerberus stands for the Community Extinguishing Robot for the brisk and expedited restoration of unexcited space.
For every engineer in the engineering program here at SPU, you have to do a senior design project. During the summer, everyone thinks on what they would like to do, and I thought of a firefighting robot. Should be an interesting project, should be a nice technical challenge, while hopefully, ideally it'll be useful at the end of it, but I mean, who knows?
So Cerberus is a fully autonomous firefighting robot. So it'll go without any human intervention once a fire starts, going to the fire and then extinguishing it, and then after that act as a beacon so that firefighters can arrive on scene and get their job done faster.
Chris said previously to hopefully get to the source of the fire quicker, and if not extinguish it completely, at least aid the firefighters in their job.
It goes fast. It'll be able to get to the fire pretty fast.
So once the robot is actually at the fire, there's going to be a sensor at the tip of the nozzle, a thermal sensor, and it'll detect where the hottest part of the fire is. The motor here is going to pull down this lever, and it releases the extinguisher.
So the algorithm that it uses to find fires is that it looks for basically the hottest object in a room. Infrared. So fires emit a lot of what's called infrared radiation, and that is given off by a heat source.
These are flame sensors, these four here. They sense IR from the fire. And these are IR distance, so we use them to calculate the distance between this and a wall or an object. I think the hooking up the sensors, wiring everything it was kind of hard, but it was fun, because I had never done it before in Brazil.
This was my #1 choice. Sounded cool, just being involved in a robotics project.
Thought it would be cool if in the future it could be expanded to be a bigger robot with more capability to actually be able to strap a fire hose to it and take it through the building to the source of the fire.